Rain hammered the savannah. Young lion Kale, his mane barely bluffed, cowered under an acacia, overwhelmed by his size and cracking roar. Thunder shook the ground, drawing a whimper. A tiny, soaked shadow darted under his shelter. Pip, a frail tabby cat, shivering violently. She looked up, green eyes wide with storm fear, not lion fear, and let out a pitiful mew. Gale stared. Her fear was pure, unlike his crushing expectations. Hesitantly, he lowered his head. It's loud, he rumbled softly. Pip flinched, then crept towards his warmth, pressing her tiny, wet body against his massive leg. Kel froze, feeling her frantic heartbeat. Slowly, Kel curled his body, creating a shelter alcove. He rested his chin near her, his breath warming her fur. Pip began a soft, rumbling purr, a tiny anchor in the chaos. Protecting the Pip is Kel's own fear. Her trust was a silent lesson. When the rain eased, Pip stretched, gave Kel leg a grateful head butt, and vanished into the damp grass. But the weight felt lighter. He hadn't rolled down the storm. True strength isn't the roll you unleash, but the gentle shelter you offer. Even giants learn courage from the smallest hearts.